Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Leadpages, beginner guide step by step clearly. To log into Leadpages, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL www.leadpages.com. Press the enter key to navigate to the Leadpages homepage. Once the page loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the provided field. Next, input your password in the designated password field. Ensure that both your email and password are entered correctly. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password if needed. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button. Wait a moment as the system verifies your information. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Leadpages dashboard. From here, you can start creating landing pages or accessing your campaigns. If you encounter any issues, double-check your email and password for accuracy. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Leadpages support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.